Slovenia again. I'm experimenting today. I already filmed one video that I did a little different, but same ingredients kind of. And this time I want to use, this is transparent base, that it's my pouring medium. And I will use this for my base coat, and I will do kind of that flower. I just need a little more of my pouring medium, I think. So my pouring medium is white now, but it dries clear. So why use it, you will ask, probably. Because when I do this one blow flower that I do a puddle and then blow in the middle to create kind of a flower, if you are happy enough to create it, the bottom, the base coat or the pillow paint or however you want to call it, because of the pressure comes to the top. So I want to see what is underneath, because if this will be white or black or whatever, it will be there and I will not see what is underneath. So maybe this sounds a little crazy, but maybe I am a little crazy. But in this crazy world today, and with so many crazy people that I see online, no. I'm not crazy, I just love to experiment and play with my paints. Okie doke. And I will use some phthalo blue, just a simple palette. No, I will use algae first. This is this little piggy algae. I think that I pronounce it right, I don't know. And next one will be Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue. And the next one will be gold, and then some titanium white on top of that. Didn't mean to add as much, but now I can do nothing about it, and maybe a touch of black. Okie doke. All my paints are mixed the same with my pouring medium, that it's my pillow paint today. So now I will just, sorry for my head if you will see it, but I have to blow kind of close to apply enough pressure. Now I will wait for paint to flow towards the middle. You can help with pressing something in the middle, because you know your middle should be nice looking one, because it will stretch out and it will be kind of a center of your painting. I love that I got some cells, not a lot, but maybe some of them will pop out when I will stretch it out. Let me see if I can just center it a little bit. And I don't know right now which parts are the transparent base and which ones are white, so we will see when it will dry. I kind of like that gold edge around, I don't know. Not fan of this part at all. What can I do? So now it's even bigger. Maybe something underneath and it will came through. I don't know. I wonder. Kind of like that gold and don't want to lose it, but this part is gorgeous, but this part is not. But I don't want to tilt it, so I'll just try to manipulate. I did add my canvas more to that side just to try to tilt this off, and hopefully my canvas will not flow off. Yeah. Yeah. I will leave it now. And I really wonder, I'm pretty sure that this bill will be just white, but I don't know, maybe it's something underneath. That's why it just has to go off. That's why I'm interested how this will dry. That's why I use that. Use that transparent base just for a little more fun. Let me take you down for a close-up. So this algae here or whatever, it just, you see, it's almost purple, or this is maybe unicorn. Probably it's unicorn, I don't know. Here is some gorgeous shimmer to that part with some white. Ooh, I can't wait to see this one dry. Such a cool effects. Not the bloom, you know, but it's still cool. So we will see how this will dry. If there is something up underneath here and here and here and here and here and here where it's white, because from the white on the top it's not a lot white of like white. So I think that something should be underneath, like under the eyes. I'm not sure anymore if maybe I should tilt, spin it out to get this off too. Not sure if I like those bare sides here. Let's do that. I will push it a little to that side. Yeah. Okay, so now I will leave it to dry. So here she is dry. Definitely a gorgeous shimmer from these little pigments. You see that? And here it was that algae underneath. And here is just plain white. I'm not sure what to think about this, but it was an experiment, and as I said, if we don't try, we don't know. You see here, this gold was underneath the transparent base, and I'm not sure if I kind of like this. It's not, maybe if this pattern in the middle would look more like a flower, I would like it more, but I don't know. Yeah, so this was an experiment with transparent base, with one blow flower technique, or how can I say. The colors are definitely beautiful, but I don't know, I don't even know what I was expecting. I was expecting for having some, I don't know, even things underneath. So this was it for today. Have a nice days, holidays, and see you on the next one. Bye!